Hey there! If you're an IT professional looking to streamline your workflow, then mastering PowerShell is a must-have skill. Today I'm going to show you how to automate two crucial security policies using PowerShell. First, we'll enforce a password change every 90 days. Second, we'll set your computer to lock the screen after 15 minutes of inactivity. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with enforcing the password change policy. In PowerShell, run the following command: PowerShell write output. Setting password expiration policy to 90 days. Invoke expression, sysedit/export/cfg co security policy.nf, get content path co security policy.env, replace maximum password age =0, maximum password age =90, set content path co security policy, inf invoke expression, sysedit/configure per decibel co sysedit.sdb/cfg co security policy, inf/areas, security policy, remove item, path c, security policy. And if this script does a couple of things. It exports your current security policy to a file, modifies the password expiration setting to 90 days, and then re-imports the updated policy. Finally, it cleans up by removing the temporary file. Next, let's set the lock screen to activate after 15 minutes of inactivity. Here's the PowerShell command for that. PowerShell write output setting lock screen timeout to 15 minutes. Set item property, path HKCU control panel, desktop, name screen save timeout, value 900 set item property, path HKCU control panel, desktop, name screensaver is secure, value 1. This command updates the Windows registry to set the screensaver timeout to 900 seconds, which is 15 minutes. It also ensures that the screensaver is secure, meaning it will require a password to unlock. Finally, let's force these settings to apply immediately. PowerShell write output, applying settings. Rundle32.x user, 32.dol, lock workstation, gpupdate/force. This part of the script locks the workstation to apply the settings and forces a group policy update. Remember to run these scripts with administrator privileges. And if you're managing a multi-user environment, you might want to apply these changes to the registry hive to ensure all users are affected. If you're working within a domain, consider using Active Directory group policy objects for more consistent enforcement across all devices. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. That's it for today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more IT tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.